It's pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very easy to use. Here you do have the server option. If you do tap on the server option here, you pretty much will see all the free server available and as well the subscription-based servers. So you'll be able to use this server for completely free, as you can see here. And to get this server, you pretty much have to get your subscription and you will need to sign in and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for that. To connect to the free servers, you just tap on the connection option here. We'll ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK. We'll start connecting in no time. So once the VPN is connected, you pretty much be able to browse online and so forth. As you can see here, I'm currently connected to the VPN application. So that's really pretty much how you connect to this VPN and so forth. And it's not that fast, but it's still a decent VPN application. If you want to give it a try, just let me know your comments and your thoughts on this VPN application so other people can know if it's really worth trying. So that's really pretty much it. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And one thing that I forgot is the subscription. Do need to get, if you want to get a premium subscription, you can just tap on the premium subscription option there. And as you can see there, they offer a 3 days free trial and as well a 7 days free trial if you're going to get the 1 year subscription. As you can see here as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Like I said before, just comment below your thoughts on this VPN application here as well. So see you in the next one.